Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn Foodie Cheddar. Today we are going to make some egg burritos. So let's go check it out. So we are going to need a little bit of tomato chunks. We're just gonna slice it and set it aside. Some chopped onions. If you don't like onions, you can skip this part. Cheddar cheese or any cheese you prefer. And we will be using large tortilla bread. I will be needing 3 of this tortilla bread. And of course, 3 large eggs. So let's start by cracking and beating our eggs. After beating, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it well, and then we can go ahead and add our seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon garlic salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. We'll beat it again until everything is well mixed. In a preheated skillet, we are going to put 1 tablespoon of butter, let it melt, and afterwards we can go ahead and add our beaten egg. We will be cooking our scrambled egg in a low to medium setting. We'll stir it gently, and once the juice and the water from the eggs is all gone, remove it from the heat and set this aside. Now let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, let's scoop out 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. We'll just mix this together until everything is well blended. Now it's time to make our egg burrito. So in a tortilla bread, we are going to spread our sauce first, and then we are going to top it with our scrambled egg in the middle, and then add some chunk of tomatoes and chopped onions, and of course we're not going to forget, if desired, you can add some hot sauce. I'm using Frank's red hot sauce. And then of course at the end we're going to add our cheddar cheese or whatever cheese you desire for your egg burrito. Then we're going to fold it and roll it and set it aside until we're done with the rest of the burritos we needed. Now this part is really optional. If you want your egg burrito to be nice and warm, you can warm it up for a few minutes in a preheated skillet. Flip it on one side afterwards, and then there you go. Your egg burrito is ready to be served. Egg burritos are usually served for breakfast, but of course, you can have this any time of the day for snack or in for lunch or even for dinner. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment, and press the notification bell to get notified for my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.